right. Hey guys, glad to have you all on my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Peter. In today's video, we are diving into a real life Excel case study. All right, let's get started. So this morning while at work, I share this table to my colleagues. I asked them to fill in the stock columns, with the variance between the product quantities in their stores with what they have in their stores and approved quantities. These are the approved quantities. So I expected them to share the variance. Okay, assuming they have 5 in their store. Okay, let's say in this case, store 1 has 20 in their stores. So 20 minus 30, that's 10. So to top what they have up, we need to give them 10 quantities. All right. So, however, as you can see, some of the store input is more than the approved quantity. If you can see here, the stores, this store put 37 there. So what they have here is more than the approved quantity. So I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting to highlight the entries that are higher than the approved quantity. All right, so like this case now, this 37 is more than the approved quantity. Also there is 31, it's more than the approved quantity for product 1. All right, so I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting to highlight the entries that are more than the approved quantities. Like this one now, this is 25 and we're having 26 here. So when I'm done, this one will be highlighted, right? All right. Also, I'm going to show you how to sum only the entries that are the same or lower than the approved quantity in each row. So in this total column, we are going to I'm going to first use count if to count the number of entries for this product 1. I will first count the number of entries that are more than the approved quantity. So when I count the entry, I'm going to have 37 and 31. The count will give us 2, and I'm going to multiply it by 30 to give us 60. So, and I'm going to use sum if to add together all the entries on this row that are either 30 or less than 30. All right. So let's get started. The first one we are going to do is the conditional formatting. So to start, first select this product 1 entry, select it, go on, go to conditional formatting, you go to new rule to use, okay, we are using rule number 2. Format only cells that contain cell value greater than, so greater than whatever we have here. All right, so we are using greater than. Format only cells that contain cells value greater than whatever we have in our approved quantity cell. All right, so I think we should remove this one. So let's give it a format. The fill, let the fill be black. The font, let the font be white, and I want it bold and italic. All right, so this is how it's going to look. All right, now let's click on OK. As you can see, it has thrown up, it has highlighted the entries on this row, the entries that are more than 30, that are greater than 30. All right, so to make it reflect all the way down, select, the entries and drag it all the way down, and you look at this one and fill formatting only. All right, that is as simple as that. So let's look at product 2. In product 2, 33, 33, 39, and 36, they are all greater than the approved quantity of 25. You can see it is very simple. Let's look at product 4. We have 50 approved. Nothing here on this product 4 row is more than the approved quantity. So there's no black, there's no highlighted cells there, there's no black cells there. All right, so let's look at the product 11. We only have one entry that is more than the approved quantity. So that is that. So the next one we need to look at is the count if. So I need to count the number of entries on product 1 that are more that are greater than the approved quantity. So let's use count if here, because count if, right? Select the range, this is the range, comma. So in create a quote, I don't know, is it quote? Yeah, greater than. So the ones that are greater than, another quote, use ampersand sign. So greater than 30, which is the approved quantity. Close it. Can you see we have two entries that are greater than. Okay, for this one, no entry is greater than the approved quantity for product 4. That's why we're having 0 there. So let's continue. So we need to times these two. These two, we need to times it by the number of approved quantity. As in, we need to multiply the result of our count if function. We need to multiply it by the approved quantity. So let's do that. Multiply by approved quantity. Can you see? So what we are trying to get here is that we don't want any store to have more than 30. You understand? For this product 1 row, we don't want any store to have more than 30. So that is why we have done that. So we have converted this store 4 entry and store 6 entry for product 1. We have converted it, we have forced it down to 30. So we're having 60 here. All right. I hope you are understanding this. So the next is to sum. We are going to use sum if function. We are going to use sum if function to add together this, 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 this. I mean all this entry for product 1 that are either 30 or below 30. So we need to add them together. We are going to use sum if function to sum them together and add them to this result. All right, to this particular result. So let's do that. Let's first you put this one in brackets. All right, now let's add sum if. So let's select the rows, comma, this. So it's either less than or equals to approved quantity. All right, let's close it, press enter. So if you look at it very well, this has been done. So this is the result. So this is how it's going to be. So the total for 191 for product 1 is 191. The total for product 2 is 174. All right, that is it. I hope you understand this. I'm going to drop the link where you can download this workbook. I'm going to put the link in the description, and I want you to support my channel by liking this video. I want you to go far. By doing this, you are encouraging me. All right. I also want you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question you want to ask me concerning this video I just did, put it in the comment section. All right. Put it in the comment section. I'll be releasing videos every week now. All right, guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. See you next time.